Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So before we proceed with the chart of USD CAD, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY because in Forex, if you want to excel, then knowing the movement of DXY US dollar is very crucial. And as per our expectation, we can see that DXY has bounced after the market opening and right now trading at 95.80. This is the current market price. And if you look at the currency strike meter here, then we can see US dollar is very strong now. Okay. US dollar is the second most strongest currency for the day, and as a result we are seeing good upside on US dollar here. But as we all know, Monday mornings are quite dull. The market used to remain flat, so US dollar has almost reached a temporary resistance here. You can see that we have a temporary resistance here. If dollar fails to cross this particular level here, then there will be some selling on the US dollar pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF. And on the other hand, if dollar maintains its bullishness and if it breaks the level, then there will be more upside on USD CAD chart. So keeping our eye on DXY is extremely important here. And my dear friends, if you are looking for a detailed analysis of the USD CAD video, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because in this video I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday for the detailed analysis. Okay, so right now USD CAD, US dollar Canadian dollar is trading at 1.2575. This is the current market price. So dollar is also strong, CAD is also strong. Okay, CAD is the strongest currency and dollar is the second most strongest currency. Generally, when we face this kind of a scenario, we usually see a sideways market. Okay, but there are each and every currency index have their own chart, so there are some internal factors also that affects the market. For example, the CAD is heavily driven by the price of oil. On the other hand, USD is maintains its own rhythm. So in case dollar reverses from the resistance zone, there will be some weakness on dollar, and if there is some, if any event on the oil comes up by the day, then there will be some impact on the Canadian dollar as well. So these changes, so be careful. Okay, do not trade blindly. And now let's talk about the chart of USD CAD here. Though this is the though dollar is bullish right now, but you can see that there is not much upside on USD CAD. As I said, when we see two currencies almost of the equal strength, then we usually see a sideways market, and USD CAD is also standing at a resistance right now. And you can see that I have also taken help of the Fibonacci retracement, and Fibonacci is also giving us the clear cut confirmation that yes, my dear friend, this won't be an easy road for USD CAD right now. Okay, so there may be some selling pressure in this level. Now it depends on you whether you want to take a buy at retracement, or you want to take a sell position. Because why I'm talking about buy, because in my previous video on Saturday I showed you the weekly chart of USD CAD and how beautifully USD CAD is taking support at 1.253. So how beautifully it is holding the weekly support here. So this gives us a nice buying position on USD CAD for swing trading purpose or positional trading purpose. Traders who want to take a position on USD CAD for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, this is a good trade. But for day trading purpose, USD CAD may not be the best trade for you if you are looking for a buy position. Again, I'm repeating, if it sounds complicated, if you are looking for a swing position, if you are looking for a trade that will last for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then wait for some consolidation. You may get USD CAD at a very good price, and this may give you let's say window of 200-300 pips by the end of Feb or mid-Feb, because there is a beautiful upside on USD CAD chart. But this is for positional trading or swing trading only. Whereas if you are looking for a trade on for trading purpose, then you may not get a good buy in this position right now. If it reverses, if dollar also reverses, you can take a sell position. But honestly speaking, I am not much convinced. Personally, I'm not much convinced of taking a sell position in this level. Though the trend is towards the downside, though market is standing at resistance zones, though everything is pointing towards downside, but still, I will look for a buy position at a retracement for a swing trading purpose. Okay, if USD CAD goes up from here, there is also a possibility of facing some selling pressure at this 100 moving average. Yes, this blue line is the 100 moving average, and you can see the 100 moving average is acting as a dynamic support or resistance. USD CAD 100 MA is working greatly right now. You can use it. If it reverses from the 100 MA, you can also take a sell position. If it goes up, then there is a high possibility of reversing from the trend line. This trend line is also acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So for day trading purpose, there are multiple opportunities. Taking a sell position at the current level, if it reverses after some time. The second trading opportunity is at the 100 moving average. Then the third trading opportunity is taking a sell position at the trend line. Okay, because overall the trend of USD CAD is towards the downside. These are all trading opportunities. But personally, I would love to take a sell position at the retracement because I have my eyes on the weekly chart. Okay, because honestly, I prefer to trade on the weekly chart because the weekly chart works great for me. Okay, so I would love to take a buy push at the weekly chart. Let's see. Okay, these are the opportunities that I have shared. Hopefully, you have liked the video and found the video informative. So give a thumbs up. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.